Hello students, welcome to your e-learning classes. Today I will do your revision class. So from your has, have and had, how the fill in the blanks will come. So if I am asking that number 1, how you will understand, you will put has, have and had. Has obviously it is present tense and had it is the past tense. You have already read meaning of the present and past. Present means now and past means before or past time or some days back. So if I am telling a week dash 7 days. So how we will write? Has, had or have. So here a week, that is also singular number. So has, we can tick it has. Number 2, if I am telling that we dash lunch yesterday. Yesterday. So yesterday means past. So here also if I am giving option have, number 2 had and number 3 that has. So we had lunch yesterday. So you have to think like this, that when we are just putting yesterday, that time we have to think that we will put had. And like this also, sometime present tense, present continuous tense and also present past, simple past and simple future tense. How we will do the fill in the blanks. So if I am telling that, first I will tell that simple present tense. Simple present tense, how I will do. Number 1, he dash ice cream very much. So number 1, we can give that like. Number 2, likes. And number 3, liking. But I am not giving that is liking. So obviously he likes ice cream very much. So we have to tick it like this. So number 2, if I am telling the simple past tense. Past tense, obviously again some past time will be mentioned there. So you have already read yesterday Roma dash her friend. Number 1, meet. Number 2, met. Number 3 is meeting. So obviously yesterday, that means we have to write that met, meet, met. So met, obviously we have to write. Then simple future tense. Future tense means just we will think about the tomorrow or next time. Tomorrow or next time. So number 3. So tomorrow we dash Kolkata. I can give here option that is go, number 2 was going and number 3 will go. So obviously option will be will go. Tomorrow means we will put will go. So this type of question it will come. Tomorrow I dash for my unit test. I will prepare for my unit test. So that's why you have to think like this. So should, shouldn't, I have given conjunction also. You have already read, and prepositions also you have read. If I am giving from your text also, again I can revise. These 3 or 4 chapters yesterday I did not revise, so that's why I will revise now. Here I just told that from the don't tell. Okay, so over here we can write from the text, the secret of the speaker. The secret of the speaker. Do you know what is this? Secret of the speaker is, he is very small, he is giant inside, he is grown up, none of this. So number 1, he is very small. Number 2, he is giant inside. And number 3, he is already grown up. He is already grown up. So here he is giant inside. So that is the thing from the text we are doing. And also you know that from my silly sister, if I am telling, when does the baby laugh? When does the baby laugh? That also I can write. When does the baby laugh? Number 1, when her mother scolds. When her mother scolds. When her brother scolds. When her brother scolds. And another one, when nobody scolds. So obviously when her brother scolds, you know that. So here, and also so many questions are there you can think about like this. So please do also PT1 chapter and also your grammar term 2 and PT2, sorry, not PT1, PT2 and term 2, and here also PT2 and term 2 chapter. Then again, if you are having any problem, please ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.